right, so just a couple of notes on installing a large panel against the glass and installing a large, and suspending a larger panel. So let's assume this is your window. Let's see how the windows work. Okay, so installing a panel requires that I build the panel with the soft frame. You'll have to excuse this. This is just makeshift for the moment. I install the panel with a soft frame on it. And the key to installing a panel with the soft frame on it is you need to make sure you've got some depth here. This is 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch, so you need at least some depth. It doesn't have to be a full 1/4 inch. And then what we do is we install the panel like this. It goes up against the existing glass like this. It fits in nicely. You can always shave this down if it's too tight. We use an X-Acto knife, and the X-Acto knife gives us a place to put our glazer's point, which is what this is here. Here we go, glazer's point. And the glazer's point goes down and in. You use a putty knife, not what I'm doing. You use a putty knife to wiggle it in. Panel's nice and secure up against there. So that is installation method. In terms of making the panel bigger, what you want to do is you want to come about 1/4 inch, maybe a little bit more. For your measurements, you want to measure 1/4 inch to 3/8. 1/4 inch to 3/8. The panel is framed. We use this really beautiful hook here. The panel sits over the edge. This is a little small. I don't have a lot of room to work with. And then what you do is you simply drill this in, and now your panel is suspended from both sides. We also put hooks on the border on the frame, and you attach it at the bottom the same way. We call that spider webbing. So attached here and here, attached here and here on the bottom. The panel is nice and secure, and it really looks great, and you can paint this the color of the wall if you wish. Okay, so very, very briefly, that is installation of a panel up against the existing glass, suspending a panel slightly larger. As you can see, we always need room for the hooks. So I hope this helps you with deciding some of your measurements for the panel.